Welcome to the extraordinary 2028 Lamborghini Terzo Millennio EV, the most revolutionary electric hypercar ever conceived that represents the future of Italian automotive excellence. This isn't just an electric supercar, it's a self-healing technological marvel that combines Lamborghini's legendary aggression with cutting-edge nanotechnology and energy storage innovation. The exterior showcases a stunning electric blue finish with energy-flowing light patterns that pulse through the carbon fiber body panels. The paint itself contains conductive elements that create mesmerizing electrical patterns across the surface, making the car appear alive with energy. The iconic Lamborghini angular design language has evolved into something even more dramatic and futuristic. The front features Lamborghini's signature Y-shaped LED headlights that now incorporate holographic elements, creating three-dimensional light signatures. The nose is sharp and aggressive, with active aerodynamic elements that adjust automatically for optimal performance. What makes this truly revolutionary is the self-healing carbon fiber body that can automatically repair minor scratches and impacts using embedded nanotechnology. The side profile displays the classic Lamborghini wedge silhouette taken to extremes, with energy-storing supercapacitor wheels that glow with accumulated electrical charge. These wheels don't just look futuristic, they actually store energy during braking and cornering, feeding power back into the vehicle's systems. The body panels feature integrated LED strips that show the energy flow throughout the car's structure. The rear continues Lamborghini's dramatic aesthetic with a full-width LED light bar that pulses with energy patterns. The active rear wing deploys automatically based on speed and aerodynamic needs, while the lower diffuser features energy-conducting elements that glow with electrical activity. The entire rear section can illuminate to show battery charge levels and energy regeneration status. Inside, the cockpit represents the ultimate fusion of Italian craftsmanship and futuristic technology. The dashboard features a holographic display system that projects information directly into the driver's field of vision without requiring physical screens. Controls are integrated seamlessly into the carbon fiber surfaces, responding to touch and gesture commands.